Yes, children. Let me go to the second experiment. The second part of the first experiment, which is implementation of adders and subtractor circuits using logic gates. Okay. So here, the experiment goes like this. You are going to implement a circuit for your adder and your subtractor. Here we are designing both our full adder and half adder. Yes. So you know what an adder is. Adder is going to add 2 digits and subtractor is going to add two digits if it is a half adder, and if it is a full adder it is going to add 3 digits, which is A, B and carry, and so full subtractor it is going to subtract 3 digits, which is A, B and carry. So here let me look over the experiment and the first thing. Here it is your full adder. Let me go for half adder first of all. So this is my half adder. So your half adder, you will have your truth table. This is the truth table of a half adder. When both your inputs are 0, you will have your carry also 0, sum also 0. When if it is 0, 1, your sum will be 1, carry will be 0. If it is 1, 0, your sum will be 1, carry will be 0. If it is 1 plus 1, you will have 10, which is your sum is 0 and your carry is equal to 1. So after framing your truth table, what you have to do here is you have to go for your K-map. Your K-map is finding out the expression. After framing the expression, we will be implementing that expression with the help of logic gates. Okay, so here this carry and sum is taken over, and that carry and sum is filled in your K-map. Since only 2 variables are present, this 4-cell K-map is sufficient. So one side A, the other side is B. Now I have to fill in the values over this. After filling in the values, you can see that here wherever sum is 1, you can see for 0, 1 your sum is 1. For 0, 1 your A is 0, B is 1, your sum is equal to 1. So here for A is actually this should be 0, 1, here it should be 0, 1, not 0, 0, 0, 1. Here it should be 0, here it should be 1, here it should be 0 and here it should be 1. So here it is 0. Let me quickly do that, 1 minute. So here it should be 0, actually this should be 0 and here it should be 1. Yes, so this should be 1. Similarly the same thing should come over here. Here it should be 0 and 1. So for 0 and 1 your sum is 1, 0, 1 your sum is 1, so 1 should come over here. For 1, 0 your sum is again 1. For 1 here 0 your sum is again 1, so 1 should come over here. I cannot do any grouping, so simply what you will have here is, here you will have, let me do here, 1 minute. So Control C, Control V, this should be 0. Yes, this is 0. Yes. So now here it is equal to A and here it is B bar. A, B bar, and here it is equal to A bar, B. So sum is this. This is similar to that of an XOR gate. So your expression is XOR gate. Similarly, the same thing I have to do it over here. When I do it over here, you get your carry to be A into B. So here it is A. So A into B, you will get it. So here the sum term goes for A bar B plus A B bar, and your carry term goes for A B. That is realized with the help of this logical expression, logic gate. So this becomes the circuit of your half adder. After framing the circuit of your half adder, what I am going to do here is that, and again I am going to do this with the help of Proteus. So I have built the circuit in Proteus. You can see that this XOR gate is for your sum and this is for your carry. XOR gate, 2 inputs I have taken, A and B. This is my A and B. That is fed to XOR gate and your AND gate. Now let me see how the circuit is going to really work. When both the inputs are 0, your output, both the LEDs are not glowing, your output is 0. Now let me take it as 0, 1. 0, 1, your sum is 1. This is my sum. So your sum is 1. Let me take it as 1, 0. So 1, 0, again your sum is equal to 1. So this LED is glowing. Next let me go for 1, 1. 1, 1, your carry is 1, your sum is 0. So your carry is glowing. So what we can see that your truth table, whatever you have built, and the circuit, whatever you have framed, that works correctly or that obeys the truth table what we have framed. This is for half adder. Similarly, the truth table for full adder is taken over. It is written. After writing the truth table for full adder, what we are going to do is that we are going to build up the circuit. I mean, we are going to fill the K map. After filling the K map, the expression is got and the circuit is built. So this becomes my circuit. This is the circuit of full adder. This full adder circuit is implemented. Again, I'm going to implement this so you can see the truth table, everything you can understand. Let me check it over in case of your Proteus, how this is going to work. Let me open the project here. I have made this project. I have simulated this project again. I am opening the project over here. 1 minute. It is half adder is again opening. Just for a second. Yes. So this is my full adder circuit. The full adder circuit is implemented over here. Let me zoom it. Yes. So here again you will have two outputs. One is for sum, the other one is for carry. So this is my sum output and this is my carry output, and you have got two inputs. These two are A and B, and this is my carry input. Yes. Let me run the simulation. I take it for all the three to be 0. When all the three are 0, 0, 0, 0, both the outputs are equal to 0. Now I take it as 0, 0, 1. When it is 0, 0, 1, your one output is glowing, your sum output is glowing. Let me check here. If it is 0, 0, 1, your sum output is glowing. If it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, your sum is again glowing. 0, 1, 0, your sum is again glowing. 0, 1, 1, your carry is glowing. So this is my carry is glowing. 0, 1, 1, your carry is glowing. Next one is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, you can guess your sum will be glowing. 1, 0, 1, your carry will be glowing. 1, 1, 0, so again your carry will be glowing. If it is 1, 1, 1, all the two will glow, both the two will glow. So again now you can see that whatever you have designed a circuit, that circuit is verified and the truth table comes to be true in the Proteus software. So this is the verification of your half adder and full adder. The same thing you can do it and see for your half subtractor and full subtractor. If you have got a laptop, you can download this Proteus software. It is a free version. You can download and you can work it out and see. You can connect it and you can check it over whether this works correctly. Finally, your result should be the half adder and full adder and half subtractor and full subtractor have been verified. The circuit have been built and it has been verified. So this should be a result. So this is about the experiment number 1, what you are asked to, what you have to complete it. Thank you so much.